Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can play Murder Mystery 2. So the rules of the game is that if you're an innocent, you're supposed to run and hide from the murderer. Use your detective skills to expose the murderer. If you're a sheriff, work with the innocents. You are the only one with a weapon who can take down the murderer. If you are the murderer, you'll need to eliminate everyone and you cannot get shot by the sheriff. So let's just press play here and kind of get a feel on the game. It's actually pretty fun, but I don't really like games that I don't know, I'm not a big fan of it, but still waiting for my turn here. You can also purchase this. I don't really know what it's for. I'm just gonna walk around the area a little bit to wait for my turn. If it takes a long time, I think I'm just gonna dip because it's taking such a long time. Oh god, I want to sneeze so bad. Obviously, it's better if you enable your voice, especially if you're not playing with your friends. I guess you can vote for the next map here, sorry. I guess you just go over it. Yeah, you just stand on the platform to vote for the next map. Basically, you're just gonna have to run away if you're the... Okay, here we go. You're going to be assigned the role here once the map has loaded. So, I am an innocent. Okay. So, I don't know. I'm just gonna climb up here and just wait and hide. Hopefully no one kills me, but that's pretty much it really. Sometimes you do have to look around to see who the murderer is, and sometimes people will say it in the chat, but that is how you can play Murder Mystery 2. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I said that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.